When Thomas Edison invented his incandescent bulb, he didn't have a choice about the color of the light. What color light do you want? Every light bulb has a color temperature that can influence the mood and coloration of the room in which it is placed. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin, and the basis for color temperature comparison is the sun. Thanks to the new Lighting Facts label, all lighting products now carry Kelvin ratings to help you decide which color temperature you're purchasing. This color temperature information is called light appearance, and it tells you whether the bulb is warmly colored, coolly colored, or in between. Bulbs that approximate the hue of light that comes from the sun will have Kelvin ratings near 5,000 to 6,500 K and will carry a daylight description. Daylight bulbs have a bright, clean light that is ideal for lively, active areas in your home. Bulbs that have a cooler, neutral light have a Kelvin rating of 3,500 to 4,100 K. Their packaging will say cool, neutral, or bright. These cool bulbs make for a balanced light that works well for the bathroom vanity. Bulbs that are warmer in color tend to have more red or yellow light in them. Their Kelvin rating is 2,700 to 3,000 K. They are described as warm or soft. Warm bulbs create an inviting, relaxing, cozy ambience. All ENERGY STAR qualified bulbs carry Kelvin ratings to help you decide which color temperature you'd like. It's up to you to choose the color temperature you'd like best for the mood you want to create. Edison would surely have enjoyed the options you have today.